Hi guys! Read. If you guys just clicked on this video, this is going to be another week in my life video. I love doing these videos. I have been on a roll with making them longer. I'm trying to make this over 20 minutes long, and I feel like everyone likes the longer vlogs. I like longer vlogs, and so that is the goal for today. If you guys are new, you should hit that subscribe button. I post twice a week. I post finance videos, week in my life videos, a lot of different videos just about growing up. So today I'm actually in Texas. It's my last day in Texas. I have been here since December 20th, I'm pretty sure, the 21st. And so it's been a really long break at home, and honestly just really, really nice. I love being home in Texas. Like, I absolutely just love it so much. I'm headed back to New York City tomorrow, and so today is going to consist a lot of wedding stuff. I've been trying to do as much wedding stuff as possible while I'm home. I found my dress. I'm gonna ask my Texas friends to be my bridesmaids while I'm home. I need to do that today. And my mom and I are also looking at wedding venues because we have been really struggling to find a venue. I just feel like I have a very specific vision, not even vision, but I just know what I want, and it is very hard to find what I want. And so we drove around all day yesterday just looking at places, and so today we're looking at more places, and I'm just hoping something fits the mold because we are struggling. Today I am just wearing this striped top, which is just like really simple. I'm wearing some black jeans, and then I just have my Vessi shoes on with it. I think it's so great. About to deliver my sister Lindsay's bridesmaid proposal. Like yeah! Don't want to let Lude out. That was my last minute before I leave. Had to ask. Yeah. I made those it's not even a question. I believe you should be. Oh, guys, so my sweet. Cheesy little. Did you do it? My bridesmaid proposal. My pun, I believe, because there's leaves on the flower. It's been a long day, guys, of looking at wedding venues, and I'm really tired. It's 8:15. We've got a little bit of progress, but not a ton of progress. Aww. Guys, JV's my maid of honor. Is Lindsay matron of honor? Yeah, I just gave her hers. Aww, I was wondering where you guys were. I was sad. You literally sent the text, I'm sad. Got those in Central Market a couple hours ago. That's what we went. Please make your way to gate number 3. I am back in New York City, guys. It is 2 p.m. right now. I literally just got back to my apartment. Flight went super smoothly, landed early. It took me a little while to like take the cab home, but I have so much stuff to do, guys. I'm little. Basically, yesterday when my mom and I were looking at venues, we searched a ton of different ones, and I've kind of explained how it's been really hard. There's one that we are really trying to set a date on if it works out. My mom's working on that, but that has like consumed my life the past weekend and on Monday. I never how long that stuff takes, and especially locking down a venue, people just book out their weddings so far in advance. It's insane. So that was kind of consuming my life, and so I feel like a lot of my YouTube stuff got put on the back burner. So I just have a lot of like sponsorship work. I need to post a video because my Wi-Fi at home was down, but I'm back in my apartment. So today's kind of just like a getting my life together day. I'm so happy. I like cleaned my sheets before I went back to Texas because I wanted to come home to clean sheets. So I'm pretty sure I'm just going to deep clean my apartment, just like bleach and scrub floors and mop and like just do a little bit of like decluttering. We have our Christmas tree. I need to figure out what to do with that. I'm gonna repot my plant because I think it's time to repot it. So just like a lot of things. Even though I have a lot of work to do, I just feel like if I don't do this today and like get groceries and set myself up, the rest of the week's not gonna go well. So tomorrow is Wednesday, and I'm just gonna try to do all my work stuff on Wednesday and also on Thursday. Edith has a cabin there, so we're staying there over the weekend. It's gonna be really fun. But skiing, I don't really ski, but it's gonna be fun to hang out, but I want everything to be done by then because there's also not Wi-Fi there. So that is my game plan. It's always really weird coming back. I don't know, especially because Rose doesn't start school for a while, so I'm here by myself, and like honestly, I hate living by myself. And like obviously I have neighbors, but I hate living by myself. It's so weird. Like it's just, I don't know. I love having someone around. Probably just going to blast some music, start getting things done, unpacking. I had this PR package, which I honestly just don't need. It's like a skincare wonderland, 'tis the season to shine, Sephora favorites. I just honestly don't need these, and I also don't use a ton of skincare. And so if you guys would like this, I'm gonna give away 2 of these. You just need to comment down below and tell me what's one goal you have for 2020, and then also include your Instagram handle, and I will randomly select 2 winners, and I will DM them on Instagram a week after this video goes up. So if you guys are interested, just do that. We've got a lot of stuff. There's Kate Somerville, Dr. Jart, Peter Thomas Roth, just a lot of different good brands. I just don't use a lot of skincare, so. Officially just finished cleaning. Everything is like deep clean. I just need to unpack. Ignore my paper towels. I'm literally out of toilet paper, so I need to grab some tonight. But it's literally so clean, especially our living room. The tree is gone. Vacuumed up all the little pine needles. It's just like super cozy and like a clean slate. I'm burning my Otherland candles. These are my favorite candles to burn. I'll have them linked down below. I really like them. It smells really, really great. I have one in my room too, but I'm about to post a video, grab a snack, and then probably just do some unpacking. 8:45 right now. It is Wednesday. I woke up at about 7:30 this morning and just did a lot of computer work. I paid my taxes, and then now I'm headed out for a run. It's 33 degrees and it's actually about to start snowing, so I'm trying to go before it snows. And I'm gonna do some abs back in the apartment. Get ready, I need to film a sit down portion of a video. And then Aiden and I are actually going to work together. We're going to Poet's House, which is a library in the city. If you guys ever need a good place to do homework, it rocks. It's super quiet, they have Wi-Fi. It's just the best. You can bring food in. It's really chill and like no one really knows about it. It's a little out of the way, but it's just a really nice place to work. So he's gonna apply for jobs, and then I'm going to edit this video and send it in for approval. I wanted to grocery shop sometime, but I don't think it's actually gonna happen today. Tonight we're actually going to a community group at our church because we are trying to be more involved at church. So we're trying out one tonight, and that is kind of what the day is. It's a really jam-packed day, but I'm gonna get a good sweat in even though it's freezing outside. I got a beanie on, I have like a vest on, and this like heat tech jacket from Uniqlo. Wearing Lululemon Aligns, which I know you're not supposed to run in, but they're comfy, so I'm doing that. But I look like a little potato, but let's get this run in. Just got back from my community group, which was so nice. I'm so thankful that we went. It was just a really good time, honestly, but it's 10 o'clock now. I'm gonna be honest, I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed with going this weekend. I just feel like I have so much stuff that I haven't done, and it's fine because while everyone's skiing, I'm probably just gonna do work because I'm feeling very behind. I haven't packed. 10 o'clock. I got a lot done today, but I just always feel like it's never like enough. Like I should have done more. I'm about to call my mom because she just looked at a venue for me, which was so sweet. I'm like so thankful for my mom. She's literally an angel and helping me with all this stuff and driving for me and seeing stuff, and I do not deserve her. I'm about to call her, talk through it. I need to pack. I still don't have food. I just am feeling very out of sorts. It's very hard for me when I'm not in a routine and like going so many different places. I just feel like I need to like chill. So probably just gonna pack up some stuff and get ready for tomorrow. I'm getting my nails done, which was really dumb, but they're just so grown out that I just feel like I need to get them redone. I'm volunteering tomorrow and then we're leaving at 6. I'm hoping that I have enough time to get all this done. I definitely will, and it's gonna be so much fun. But just so grateful for the group tonight. It was so nice being in community with other Christians and something that I've really been like seeking, and so that was definitely an answer to prayer, and it was just a really good time, and we're definitely gonna go back. So we've got a little mystery package here that I'm going to open up. I just got this surprise package from United. Oh my goodness. They emailed me and told me that they had tried to deliver this package, but I wasn't here. And so they just delivered it, and they literally gave me a free round trip domestic flight in United first class. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. And then I also got a little blanket and a little first class kit. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I work with United Airlines all the time. I love them. Like the people I work with, the agency I work with, they're so great. Where should I go, guys? Let me know where I should go. So sweet. Thank you so much, United. I've just been doing some work on my laptop. I woke up at 7 this morning because I have so much stuff to get done today. A lot of times when I do sponsorships, I have to send in concepts for review, and so working with a budgeting app, which I love, I actually use them. It's called Empower. I've done a sponsorship with them before. They're awesome, and I'm doing a lot of posts with them. My video idea for approval and really fleshed it out, and then also my Instagram concept. Not all sponsorships require this, but I really like doing it because then I feel like there are less edits when you actually do the video because you already know what you're doing. So just did that. It is 8:15 right now. I don't know why it took me so long. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready. I actually need to reshoot the video that I filmed yesterday because that one is also sponsored and they had some edits, and I think it's just easier to refilm the whole thing than to try to edit. So I'm going to record that and then leave for my nail appointment at 9:45. I'm also really excited because I'm working with Rent the Runway on Instagram, and I did renting for the first time a few weeks ago, not through Rent the Runway, through like another service, and I loved it. And so my stuff is getting delivered today and I'm really excited. I think I'm going to love it because, as you guys know, I'm really into like minimalizing right now and just not having a lot of stuff, really feeling like cleaned out and everything. And I think renting is going to be such a good concept for me. Things that I got are so cute, and so I feel like I might end up just keeping the subscription. I get, I think, a month redoing it. So excited. I think that happens. I'll show you guys when I get it if I have time, because I need to also do some other stuff. I'm about to head off to get my nails redone. Need to drop off my rent check on the way. Little update. I got back from my appointment, which went super well. Jet back here, stopped at Trader Joe's, got something for lunch. Just edited a video just in time, and I set it to upload, so by the time I get back it'll be ready and I can set it in. My nails look so much better. I go to Color Vat. They do such a good job. She does gel extensions, and I just kind of splurged because my sister actually gave me a little like treat to make it on her for Christmas. That was Jamie's gift to me. Probably not gonna keep doing it because it is really expensive to keep up with, but it's just a nice little treat right now since she gifted that to me. So head out back into the cold. So I got back home and I literally just changed, finished packing. I'm about to head out. It's been such a like back and forth day, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing because this jacket that I'm wearing was actually in my shipment. It's so cute. It's the brand Tory Sport. They didn't have an extra small, so I got a small. So it's a little like big, but I still feel like it's so cute. I love the colors, like the pink and green. So I'm just wearing this. It's really nice because I always wear like my black parka and it's fun. It's freezing outside, but this is like a really warm jacket. So just wearing that. Rose's Jack Jones beanie on, Lululemon leggings, and then just my Sperry little boots since it's probably gonna be pretty snowy there. Headed to Vermont. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here just because probably not gonna be vlogging tomorrow or the weekend, just because tomorrow I'm just like working in the cabin. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, make sure to subscribe if you guys are new here. I post videos like these and then also just a lot of different videos very often, so I'm super active on YouTube. You should definitely stick around and let me know if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram. I post more about like these little weekend trips, like doing stuff with friends, more on my Instagram, so if you're more interested in that stuff, head over there. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye friends.